Last week, Cyco Gasket called me to let me know that one of the orders I placed was ready. They've got a warehouse down in Arkadelphia, Arkansas. It's about 100 miles south of me, so I went ahead and hopped my ass on the bike, rode down there. That way I could also enjoy the pretty fall colors. Picked up the gaskets. Now, everything in this box, except for a couple items, is stuff I've never used before, so I do not know what kind of quality it is. And what it is the gaskets for the Evo restoration project we're going to be doing, plus the shovelhead restoration project that's going to be after the Evo. Now, what I want to do in this video, open up this box and take a look at the quality and craftsmanship that these particular gaskets have. Let me put this up before I cut myself. Alright, let's take a look at what we got. The first thing on top is the Cyco gasket shoes, which I believe in. I've got them in both my twin cams and I've put a lot of miles on them. As a matter of fact, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm going to be doing a review, pulling the cam cover off and inspecting just to see how much wear they do have after about 15,000 miles. I put them in 2017 in my Dyna. Anyway, so we're sending these to a subscriber in Germany. He's having a hard time. Well, he can get them shipped. It's just he's going to pay $15 for the shoes, and then to ship it over there is 5 times as much. So I figured out a way to get it to him for about 10 bucks. All right, let's see what else we got. Now, right on top, we've got the cam cover gasket for a twin cam. Actually, it's the entire bottom end set for a twin cam, but what I like is the fact that I'm seeing they make these out of the exact same foament material that Harley Davidson uses. Of course, this is a fraction of the cost, and I would argue that the quality is just as good. We're going to find out. This is the bottom end set for the Evo, and once again, it's made with the same high quality modern technology material, you know, and I like that. This is for the Evo's transmission. Same thing. It's the same quality material. Now, one thing I want to point out is this is the rocker box O-rings for the Evo, and this is not the standard material. This is a Viton material that Cyco Gaskets has developed. Viton has a higher temperature resistance than some of the other materials that have been used in the past, and I'm eager to try those out. We went with multi-layer steel head gaskets and cylinder base gaskets, so can't wait to get on that project. Now let's open up. This is, I don't know, this must be free, an extra, but this is another twin cam gasket, and let's open it up. And maybe y'all can see the material. You know, like I said, this is, I'm sure I paid a fraction of what I would have paid at Harley Davidson. I know the primary gasket, which we're not going to open it up, it's in this cardboard right here. This is like 50 or 60 bucks at Harley. At least it was last year. I had to buy one. Now, the cool thing is, I've got, this is the shovelhead gaskets, and I got the multi-layer steel. And what's I really like is they even go with the rocker box gaskets with the same foament material. You know, everything looks just as high quality as what Harley Davidson would put out. I mean, this is the ratchet top gasket for the transmission, and once again, it's the foament material. So far, I'm really impressed. Now it's just a matter of let's get to these projects and get this stuff tested out. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm tickled shitless in the quality, the fact that the materials are up-to-date materials, is, you know, new technology and stuff that is being used in late model stuff, especially the stuff that they're making for the shovel heads, the vintage stuff, that Evo. I mean, the Viton gaskets alone, or O-rings, for the rocker boxes, that's a brilliant idea. I mean, Viton can stand extended periods of time at up to a little past 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me tell you, if your motorcycle gets up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you got a problem. But as far as visually inspecting the quality, you know, and the fact that they're using the foamette material, which is what they're using in late model motorcycles right now, I'm impressed, you know. And so I'm gonna end it here. Drink this cold ass beer. I'll see y'all on the next one.